Hey everybody, Ace here. Investing your first $1,000 really depends on your situation. It depends on where you live, how old you are, what job you have, what's your status. There's a lot of different factors. I'm gonna let you know what I think is best, but it really depends on who you are and what you wanna do. And before I get into it, I'm gonna let you know this piece of advice. Don't go YOLOing options with it. If someone came up to me and said, Ace, I just saved $1,000, what should I do with it? The very first thing I would let them know to do is to invest in yourself. There are a variety of different things you can do. There's a lot of great books you could start reading, or buy some ebooks if you're like me and you don't like reading. And some of my favorite books are The Automatic Millionaire, The Millionaire Next Door, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, The 4-Hour Workweek, just to name a few. There are classes you could attend, you could go get a certain certification, or even attend seminars. Just don't go spending that $1,000 all in one place. Expanding your knowledge and focusing on what you're really passionate about is going to give you the best ROI. So just go do some research on what you want to learn or where you want to focus, and go invest that money into yourself so you can grow in those areas. Next would be my standard for anyone who's already invested into themselves and they're looking to make that next move. And that would be to put it into long-term investments. These are the type of set it and forget it type of investments. If you haven't started your IRA, now would be a perfect time to start an IRA and put your first $1,000 into it. There are a variety of different funds that you can invest into that have minimal fees and a $1 minimum to start investing into it. Some of my favorites are VOO, VTI, VYM, which are all Vanguard specific funds that either track the total stock market or the S&P 500. And once you put your $1,000 into this fund, you can either set it and forget it and let it grow over the upcoming years, or you can dollar cost average into it. So every time you get more money, you can put that money into your index fund and let it grow. And from a variety of different funds you can choose, you should be able to get a lot of different diversification. That way you don't have to stress about if one market tanks and another market does well, you'll be covered. The third thing I would tell someone to do with their first $1,000 is if they want to learn more trading or specifics about the stock market, and that would be invest into individual stocks. Remember, you'll be risking more of your money with individual stocks than in different index funds, but you can learn a lot about different stocks, companies, and really how rich people get more rich by investing into stocks. If you're going to choose to trade individual stocks, make sure you have a broker that has unlimited free trades and zero commission on those trades, or else you're going to be losing a lot of money paying commission on trades. The majority of brokers do have unlimited free trades and zero commission. I personally like to use Robinhood or Webull. There's going to be a link down in my description for a free stock when you sign up with either one of them. But some other good brokers might include Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard. Just double check to make sure they have zero commission on their trades. My fourth piece of advice for anyone looking to invest their first $1,000 would be to start a business or look into starting a business. Now, I'm a middle-class corporate America drone, so I don't know much about starting businesses, but if you have a really great idea, whether that be for an app or a board game or a certain product, it would definitely pay for you to look to invest into that. Use that money and pursue that dream of making your vision or product come to life. There are a lot of different crowdfunding sites out there, like Kickstarter, where you can promote your ideas or prototypes to other people for funding, and then try to take your business off from there. Figure out what business or what you're really passionate about and use that first $1,000 to bring it to reality. The idea of using your first $1,000 saved is really to get a head start on whatever you really want to do with your life. Whether you want to be more conservative and put it in investments and plan for a later retirement, or you want to take it and use it for your passion or your business idea and try to make that come to fruition. In reality, $1,000 is not a lot of money, and you're going to make a lot more than $1,000 throughout your entire lifetime. But utilizing it properly can really set you off on the right foot forward. If you liked this video or you learned anything, please just tap that thumbs up button for me. That'd greatly help me out. Subscribe for more content and leave me a comment down below on how you plan to use your first $1,000. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.